Good morning, guys. So today I'm going to be doing a yeehaw. I'm going to be doing some DIYs. I'm going to be turning some stuff into some cool items, and I'm really excited. But first, I'm going to get some tea because I hate coffee. Howdy, cowboys. I'm back, and today I'm going to be doing a DIY, as I explained earlier, and then I made some hibiscus tea. I didn't make it, my mom did, but I made it look cute. Let me go grab her. Oh my gosh, OOTD. Some random sunflower shirt I got handed down from someone, like last summer or something, and then red corduroy shirts from Urban that were overpriced. See, now my drink looks and tastes good. The little strawberries and ice. I look like a rat today. Comment below if I look like a rat or a toe. You guys decide. And first, I'm going to be doing this Brandy Melville shirt that has honestly made me so angry because I just want to make it because it just bothers me how people spend so much money for it. Here's what you'll need. Fabric glue, a white t-shirt with an unfinished hem, probably cropped, unless you have another preference. Scissors, this specific patch from Joann's, the exact patch that's also used on the Brandy Melville shirt. So cowboys, let's get into it. I removed the patch from the packaging and now I'm going to try to center it in the shirt as best as possible. So I can't make it exactly center, I'm not perfect, but I got a good idea of where I want it. And now I'm going to take this fabric glue and try to fuse it on. I preferably like to use a Q-tip, but you can use your finger or any other application thing to apply. But mine is just a little bit messed up, so it just takes more of like a Q-tip than squirting it out at the end. I applied glue all on the back of the flower, and now I'm just going to place it in the right position on the shirt. Once it's on, I'm just going to keep pressing it on, and for right now I'm just going to take this case of movies and I'm just going to lay it on here so it really has some sort of pressure to keep it down, and then I'll show you guys what happens next. For the next shirt, it's not a Brandy Melville shirt, but I had the inspiration to do it anyway. I'm going to be taking this patch and putting it in the middle of a white t-shirt just like I did with the butterfly. I love checkerboard, so I decided to make this just because I thought it'd be kind of cute, and I can still put it under t-shirts, which is a plus, and I can still style it the way that I want. I just thought having a little checkerboard print would be really cute in the middle of a shirt, so I'm just going to do the exact same thing as I did for the butterfly, but just for the checkerboard patch. I applied fabric glue, and now I'm just pressing it into this, and I'm going to take my Calvin and Hobbes comic selection and just put it on top of here for some pressure. For the next DIY, I'm going to take this shirt that I cut out of another shirt. It's from Hollister. It's a silky V-necked tank top that's black, and I cut it from underneath my mesh shirt because I decided that I could make two cool pieces and not have to pay for a black silky top. And so this one I could wear with most things, and I just had an idea. Since it's nice and pretty and silky, I got some lace, and I'm going to cut the lace in half and put it on the neckline of the silky tank top, and it's gonna look kind of scandalous, but also really cute. I'm actually gonna go ahead and cut this out in the way that I would like it to lay across here and how I want it to appear. I cut out this piece and cut out some edges just to give it a little bit more texture. I'm going to round off this edge with my scissors real quick though. I put the glue right on the spot where I want the lace to go. Now that I've placed the lace down, I'm going to get a heavy object in order to weigh it down to put pressure on the glue till it dries. on this shirt, it dried and it looks amazing. It's fully stuck on and I am so excited to wear it. Plus, the shirt's really soft. And this shirt, it's fully attached as well and looks amazing. I love the turnout. I'm back. I went to go see the Megalodon movie with my family, and while I was gone, I was just gonna go ahead and just let this sit, let this, dry. The glue was really, really wet, and it turned out pretty good. I like it. I'm guessing it'll be a little bit itchy, but I guess I asked for that when I put on scratchy lace. So if you don't want it to be itchy, pick a different lace. But I don't know. I think it looks nice. See, I like the look of it, not gonna lie, and I can't wait to wear it with some plaid pants or whatever. I have a few more ideas for DIY soon that'll be coming up, but I just really wanted to go ahead and do the Brandy Melville shirt real quick, so bye cowboys. Make sure you unlike, unsubscribe, and don't comment at all. Love you.